I don't know. I try to remember the exact. So I think it was a song. Flavor did a song with a lady. Then you can't do a song with the same lady. Then the next thing they can call you out. What was that about actually?
Well, I don't know. The truth to be said, that particular incident.
Yeah.
Now, myself, I don't understand them because I don't call anybody out, and I believe say nobody call my name, and I don't call anybody name for my response. Some people talk
because your response was like you are not the custodian of
course the culture now
of the culture. So why you dey question me the future?
Yeah, you know the truth be saying when some people they expect you to do some certain level, no grow, and they don't write you off, thinking say them be God. And you can't work hard, can't grow, can't they meet up where they no expect you to
meet up.
Then go shock. Now what happened that time?
But you're talking about Flavor. You come this music industry before Flavor now. Very much.
First way then bring my sign. We so bring my sign.
Oh, for real?
Are you playing? So bring a my sign. I'm on the drive home and navigate on the ball. Before I from East come. I was a freaky big boy. So record bring say sign. I say I no one sign.
Was there
I don't see the future. No, I don't see the future at that point.
Okay.
No be say I no want do am. No, I would have loved to.
I've been on that thing get for mine
no
till now.
No be him. Those were not. But I just think time go tell. You see this time, this life, may I be OG like this. I'm not be afraid of anything or to say anything. Time go always tell. The thing is, those who get good hearts, God go always show them mercy, no matter how much.
You feel say some people, they kind of like, especially your peers or your musical colleagues, they kind of like underrate your talent.
2000%. And my humility, now they give them more reason to doubt me.
Because you know the brag I do.
I don't need them. But the thing be say, like I always say, time they always prove them wrong. And my work they always prove everybody wrong. You understand? Some of the people who don't tell me face to face say, you know if you do this, you know they don't later after years and years they don't say sorry.
We mistake.
We be the saying at this other side. We be the saying now yeah it go happen, but we don't always know say that you be the man.
Sorry. So you feel say this whole idea of then they would estimate you. They stand for the fast. Say, oh, your brother they bless. So now the money they actually help you.
That one follow.
So because they not get it, but you know say one thing about black people man. What you not get now you go criticize.
God bless you. So that one is one of my major problems.
So money.
Then the first thing say, in fact when they talk, they saying they wasting brother money. I don't know whether
I don't hear talk like that, my brother.
I don't know whether all this show where they go whether they see like saying a paper.
That isn't free that they give you.
I don't understand. You understand? But it's okay. Those things don't move me. But the thing be say, when we calculate, make we check and balance them. You understand? Music for me no be competition. You understand? Play everybody's songs. Everybody get different idea, different message, different rhythm, different melody. You know, you feel like A own, you know, like B own. I can never satisfy everybody. But you get people who still die for me. You get people who don't tattoo their name for their body for me. At the same, not even only in Nigeria, even outside Nigeria. I've seen them. I can still bring them out and show you. So it no be everybody I go satisfy. Even as Ronaldo day now the greatest. So Messi, everybody. The greatest you can't satisfy everybody.
Today.
God bless you. So me, I know they fear criticism. I know they fear hate. I know they fear dragging because now dragging then take train me for this industry.
Don't be like every single time.
They don't drag me. Make me look like say I don't fail. So I don't even fail again.
Yeah.
Right now of my career, they like the peak of my career because everything where I get for my career now, I don't get them when I even start.
When you even start.
So to me, this is like the peak of my career.
Truly, I agree.